Guys, John Brown at BWT. We've put together the HazMat Placarding Tipsheet. That's just basically broke it down to simplify everything on HazMat so it's not so confusing. Using this tip sheet, we're going to go through some exercises. On exercise 1 here, we're going to go through the HazMat sheets to determine whether this load needs to be placarded or not. We'll take the total weight of the HazMat that's on there. You got 2.42 pounds of 6'1", 2,130 pounds of 5'1", plus another 2,130 pounds of 5.1, 84 pounds of class 9, and 34 pounds of 6.1. I know that I'm going to have to placard 5.1 because it's over 2,205 pounds. My 6.1, I have a total of 36.42 pounds, and class 9, which you do not put into the calculation of the load. So that tells me that I'm going to placard oxidizer for the 5.1 and dangerous because of the aggregate of 6.1. All right. And also when you have to remove the placards, on our first stop here, we're going to take off 2.42 pounds of 6.1. That will not change what you have placarded because at New Summerfield, you still have 6.1 plus the 5.1. So when all of these are unloaded at New Summerfield is when you would remove the placard. Example number 2 is an intercompany trip loaded from to deliver to Springfield, Missouri. You'll have to go in and total your weights. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and see if I have anything that's over 1,001 pounds to begin with, or a total of 2,205 pounds. Okay, there's nothing over 1,001 pounds. And there's nothing over 2,205 pounds. So then I have to determine the combination of all hazardous classes and the total weight. You can use your calculator on your phone or scribble it on a scratch piece of paper. I have 108 of class 3, 120 pounds, class 8, another 250 pounds of class 3. 5.1, I have 520 pounds. Class 8, 695 pounds. Class 6.1, 72 pounds. Class 2.1, 17 pounds. Class 9 is 235 pounds. With it being class 9, we don't add that in. 2.1, 3.44 pounds. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is make sure I don't have a total of 2,205 pounds of one item. If you have a total of 2,205 pounds of one item, you have to placard that item along with dangerous if you have another hazardous material in there. So class 3, I'm at 358 pounds right there. 5.1, class 8, I'm at 695 and 120. That's 815 pounds. Class 6.1, do not have any other of it yet. Class 2.1, 17 pounds. Do not add class 9. Class 2.1 got a total of 17.44 pounds. So on this one, with nothing being over 2,205 pounds, I would placard dangerous. And remove those placards when the truck is backed up to the dock because the trailer is considered an extension of the building when it is parked at the facility. All right, example number 3. This trip is going to, has HazMat on it. It's going to Farmers Co-op Van Buren with 1,848 pounds of class 3 and 2,115 pounds of class 8 that's going to Diamante Country Club. With nothing being over 2,205 pounds, you do not have to placard a specific item. you have to placard dangerous for this one. Now, when you get to your stop at Farmers Co-op in Van Buren and you remove the Class 3, you have 2,115 pounds of Class 8. So after you unload Farmers Co-op in Van Buren, you have to remove the dangerous placard and put on a placard for Class 8. And then that placard will be removed when you deliver Diamante Country Club. All right, example number 4. This is the trip that's going to Little Rock. I'm going to go through and see if I have 1,001 pounds of any one product. 5.1, I have 46 pounds. Class 3, 2 pounds. 5.1, 416 pounds. And Class 9, which you do not add into the totals, is 2,838 pounds. So with this, on 5.1, I have 46 pounds, and then I have an additional 416 pounds. You would not placard this at all because nothing is over 1,001 pounds combined. All right. Example number 5 is another intercompany load going to South Carolina. I'm going to go through here and look at my total weights and classes. Class 9 you do not add in. 5.1, I have 90 pounds. Class 3, I have 12 pounds. Class 5.1, I have 46 pounds. 5.1, 276 pounds. 5.1, 96 pounds. 5.1, 64 pounds. 5.1, 69 pounds. I have a lot of 5.1 in here, and then 12 pounds of Class 3. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to add my 5.1s together to see if it's over 2,205 pounds. First, 90 pounds, 46, 276, 96, 64, 69. I have 641 pounds of 5.1, and the only other item that I had was the Class 3 at 12 pounds. That's not going to put me over 1,001 pounds combined, so this load would not be placarded.